Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will presentation Chapter 5, Auditing Database Management System. My name is Hu Yuesheng.
My name is Manager.
We will presentation 5.1 overview of DBMS and DBMS and 5.2 IS standard and guideline on the auditing DBMS. So, what's a database? Databases are used to organize, store, and retrieve information as efficiently and effective as possible. So, what's a DBMS? DBMS is a system software for creating and managing the database. The DBMS provide user and programmers with systematic a way to create and retrieve, update, and manage data. So next is the advantage of DBMS. The first advantage is DBMS lets end users and application programmers access and use the same data while managing the data integrity. Because it's better protected and maintained when using DBMS sharing the data. The second one is the DBMS provides a central store of data that can be accessed by multiple users in a controlled manner. The central storage and the management of the central management, storage and management of the data within the DBMS provide data security and data independence. The third one is the DBMS can be used to impose a logical or structured organization on the data. The DBMS can provide a economic of scale for processing the large amount of the data because it is ultimate of such operation. Next is there are three important things of DBMS managing. The database index allows data to be accessed, located, and modified. And the last one is the database schema. These three elements can provide concurrency, security, data integrity, and uniform administration procedures. And next is the types of DBMS. There are 4 types. The first type is hierarchical DBMS. The hierarchical DBMS is a relationship among data in the database established in such a way that one data item is present as the subordinate of another one or a subunit. This is the parent and the child relationship. It's like a tree structure. And in this relationship, no backward movement is is possible. Next is object-oriented DBMS. DBMS is designed to store data from the variety of media sources such as photography, text, and the video, and produce work and output in a multimedia format. The next is relational DBMS. In relational database, the relationship between data files is relational. The data in relational database is stored in different access control tables, each having a key field that will identify each row. And the database relationships are treated in the form on the table. Each data can be related to other data in same table or other table which have to be managed join one or more table. The last one is the network DBMS. The relationship among data in the database are of type many-to-many. More connections can be made between different types of data. In this relationship, the data in this relationship, one record can be used as the key of entire database.
Next is about the IS standard and guideline for the team database management system. We found the guideline is from ISACA, and ISACA tells about there are three major types of risks. First is mistake, failure to maintain or operate the database as required, and leads to accidental disclosure of information and authorized change. Usually the mistakes is come from the human errors when they are enter the ID of the ID information system wrongly, and then it can lead the information to be out from the system. And then second is misuse. It's a failure to maintain access right to the database leads to abuse of privileged access and leakage of information. It's almost similar. It's someone that don't have a special roles or access, but can get the access to the system. He or she can leak out the information from the system. And then the misuse section, failure to maintain a secure logical setup of the database, is usually from the hackers when they want to steal or get the information from the database. And this is the common attack that occur in the database. First, the SQL injection. It is a technique used to take advantage of non-validated input vulnerabilities to pass SQL command to a web application. SQL injection is like someone want to inject their code of system to the database, but before they inject the we call it the virus to the database, they have to find the weakness or the gap between the security system, because it's like a circuit, because in the circuit there must be and get to maintain the system. So if they find the gap between them, they can inject the code. And the second is phishing. It's the perpetrator sends out legitimate looking emails in an attempt to gather personal and financial information from the recipient. It is, for example, from this, someone send you an email, and then inside the email there is a link. When you click that link, it will directly send you to the website. It is a website, so if you put your personal information, that will automatically your data will get stolen. And then data exfiltration is an authorized copy transfer or retrieval of data from a computer server. It's almost similar with phishing, the technique, but the other technique is from the backdoor. The backdoor is a hackers want to stolen data, but use the data encryption key to get the data. And then the staging server, it used to test the software, website, or surface in a production similar environment before being set live. It's a software that if you want to test your software, your website, if someone gives you software and then you use the software to test your system, but during you test the system, your data will be leaked out to the software, or you can say the information from it. We call it like you test your software, and then when you test it during your test, your data gets stolen.